Hello students, welcome to our online session. Welcome to new academic year also. With all these challenges in front of us, we have we have completed our previous semester, and then we have entered into our new semester with lot of hopes, with lot of positive vibes. Let us begin this new session with as usual, I have created a classroom app. Like last semester how we managed, only with this semester also we are going to manage the session. I have created a classroom app. Most of you have joined. In case if you have not joined, do join the classroom app. All the videos will be posted in the classroom app. If any really online sessions are required, then we will do our online sessions also through Zoom app. Time being, we will start with our classroom app. This will be benefit for the student because anytime you can watch the videos and it will be always available with you handy. So that's the reason classroom app is there. But certain programming concept you really need to understand. Another thing, we will do Zoom sessions also. Okay. I know lot of tough situation is in front of us, but learn to overcome things, have a positive attitude. The whole country will overcome the situation, and we will also, anyway last semester for you, another 3 months you will also settle down with the good jobs, good higher education institution and other thing. Use this, now you people are quite free at home, use this opportunity to learn something. To tell about our semester this time, we have two papers. One is called web programming and another is called computer networks. When web programming is concerned, even though it has quite a huge syllabus for the given hours, it's only 3 days in a week, but the syllabus is quite huge, but very interesting topic. People who say I don't like programming language, I can't remember this coding, if statement, for loop, like that and all, and who has lot of creativity and all, can enter into this web programming world. Very simple programming language, very interactive thing, and lot of opportunities. Nowadays each and everybody prefer to have their own website, web portal and other things. This topics will give you an idea about how to do about with this web designing. Okay, so what are the tools we can use in web designing? One idea will be given. With your own talent and interest, you can develop furthermore. Very interesting topic to be studied. Very colorful topic. You won't study any coding part of it. Here coding will come and it will be very simple for you to learn and understand. And next topic is computer network. Full-fledged theory paper, very simple, only it has 4 topics and very simple concept. Most of the concept you have studied in your school level itself. What is a type of network, LAN, WAN, MAN, like that only. It's a full percent, no program, nothing like that. It's a 100% theory paper about networking concept, which is also needed for the day because we are surviving in the networking industry. So you will come across this concept. And web programming will be there. As of now, web programming, I will handle the paper web programming, all the sessions, and Prithvi sir will be handling computer networks. So out of, if you could see your timetable, 6 hours will be there. In that 3 hours I will handle and 3 hours sir session will be there. Sir will tell you which mode he is teaching. It's up to him to decide whichever mode he is teaching. Do support. It is for your benefit only. With all the things around you, try attending these online sessions also. And when it's my paper is concerned, these 3 days I will be handling Monday, Friday and Saturday. Monday it is between 11:30 to 12:30, and Friday and Saturday it is morning first hour session. Preferably my sessions will come through your classroom app. Otherwise I will inform in the WhatsApp group how we are going to do about it. That's about our web programming, our theory part is concerned. And lab is concerned, we will have a HTML lab, web programming lab only. Actually there are a lot of tools to implement this. We don't want any system at all. Through our mobile phone itself we can use this. Lot of tools or apps are available to do this HTML program. In case if you people are little confident with the HTML concept and little support towards this online sessions and all, we will start with lab also simultaneously. Anyway, we started with the project with all your effort, most of them except 3 batches, remaining 7 batches are doing their jobs. If you could see, really 40% of project is done within the 15 days. If you could remember, we started on May 1st and today is going to be May 17th. Within these days, nearly most of you have finished 40 to 50% of your project. There are one group who finished 80% of project also. So we were able to do, except 3 batches. I think hope they will also come up to our track. We will wait for them. So this is the thing. So in case if you are little comfortable, you are little regular to these online sessions and all, then we will start with our HTML labs also. Okay, this is how our things goes. And what we are going to study in this web programming is, we will study about a programming language called HTML or XHTML. Both are related with each other, that you will come across. This is one you will learn. This is about your first chapter. Second chapter, you will study about a tool called JavaScript. This is not Java program, this is JavaScript. Third program chapter, you will study about how you will use JavaScript and HTML together. That is your third chapter. Fourth chapter, you will study about and third chapter itself, you will study about DHTML concept also, dynamic hypertext markup language. Fourth chapter, you will study about CSS and XML. So this is how your syllabus is being designed. So the entire course will help you to understand the concept of web page designing. Whoever is free, maybe after 1 week you will come to know how the concept goes and all. If you really are interested in this designing industry, lot of opportunities are there. Simultaneously do some Coursera online, through online course, join some online courses. Coursera is offering free courses, and Udemy is there. There are so many portal which is offering online courses. Do join that also. That also will be an extra benefit for this subject. Okay, this is about our part of it. And regarding our online session, follow up the online session. Anyway, videos will be there. You will be given one whole day time to watch the video and update the things. Every day small assignments or questions will be there based upon your performance in the assignment or the way you solve the questions. Whoever is attempting to solve the question or assignment, attendance will be marked. Attendance also will be shared in the group. Anytime you can open the attendance and see what is your status. Okay, this is how we have planned for you. As usual, any doubts, clarification, you can always reach us through WhatsApp or Classroom app, or you can call us. We are there always to help you out. Last semester, try to take a higher score. Both are easy papers. Very easily you can score marks. So from the beginning, start putting effort. Try to have 2 separate notes, one for web programming and another for computer networks. So it will be easy for us to maintain the thing, because that is totally, it's of theory talk, this is totally of programming logic. So you can't maintain notes in the same thing. Try to have 2 notes for yourself about web programming and computer networks. Do utilize this online sessions. With this I end. Have a nice day. Thank you.